Hi, today we're trying to learn a data structure called sliding window that maintains the maximum value. The DQ stores index, and the property of this sliding window DQ is make sure the head of the queue always stores the index corresponding to the maximum value. Second trait of it is the index on the left is always the value of the index on the left is always greater than the value of the index on the right. What does this mean? We will take a look at this example. So given this original array, we trying to create the DQ of the original array. So first is the index 0, which is the value is 6, we put inside. Index 1 value is 4, we can also put inside because this condition satisfied. Just now we talked. The value of the index on the left, 6, is greater than the index of right. On the right, the value of the index on the right, which is 4. Then we continue. The index 2 can also put in because the condition satisfied. And we try index 3. However, you can see the value of index 3 is 3. It's greater than 2, which is not satisfied. The condition is not satisfied. So the index 2, the value 2, corresponding to the value 2, but we have to pop up the index 2 because the DQ stores the index need to get out. Then we can insert the 3 in. Let's continue, which is going to index 4. Index 4 is 5. The value is 5. And you can see 5 actually is greater than 3. 5 also is greater than 4. So in this case, this index 1, index 3, which we stored inside the DQ, need to get out to maintain the structure, to maintain the constraint. Then once it get out, we can insert the index 4 in, which is 5. The corresponding value is 5. So the DQ stores the index 0 and 4. Okay, you may ask another question. If the index is if the value corresponding to the index is equal to one of the value inside the DQ we store in DQ, then how in this case? So we can give an example in here for this original array, right? So the tree is, we have 2 tree which is stored in the index 1 and the index 3, right? So once we reach here, this 0, 1, 2, you can see it can maintain the structure. However, once we reach the index 3, you can see 0 need to get out. Also, index 1 have to get out because you can consider 3 is younger than the index 1. This tree, which is index 3, which is younger than this index 1. So if I'm younger than you, and also I'm greater or equal than you, then you have to get out. That's the reason why index 1 get out. So you may ask why we have to do this. Because in case, the purpose of this structure is in case I want to shrink the window by step, I want to know what is the maximum value step by step it will be. So every position go in at most once, every index actually going out at most once. That's why this DQ have ON update and O1 to obtain the maximum value. We'll talk more about the use case of this data structure in the future video.